Kia ora, I'm Kyle, or BareKiwi. I'm an official content creator for GoPro and part of their product testing and training teams. In this video, I want to teach you how to shoot like the pros while keeping it easy using the GoPro Hero12 Black. Straight out of the box, the 12 comes in what's known as easy mode. The teams have worked tirelessly to load this with their go-to settings for the everyday GoPro user. And stick around, because I'm going to share with you some insider tips and tricks, as well as how you can get paid to shoot for GoPro. Let's talk video modes. Now you have three options in this. We've got basic, standard, and highest quality. Basic is just that. Don't let this fool you. You're going to be shooting in what's known as 1080p, 60 frames per second, and 16:9. But we can also shoot vertically in the 12. Now, the great thing about this mode is it maximizes longer battery life and more room on your SD card. So, let's check out the other settings. Let's swipe up. Standard mode. This is a massive jump in quality. We can now shoot in 4K 120 frames per second, or a crazy 2.7K 240 frames per second. If that doesn't mean anything to you, it's super crisp and slow motion. You've got three frame sizes in this option: widescreen, vertical, and full frame. Full frame utilizes GoPro's full sensor at a massive 8:7 ratio. What that means is super wide and super tall, meaning you'll never miss a shot. My recommendation to you is to use this setting of standard, full frame, 2x speed. Then you'll be shooting in 4K, 8:7, 60 frames per second. Welcome to highest quality mode. You have two resolution options in this mode: 4K and a whopping 5.3K. We can shoot widescreen, vertical, and unlocking GoPro's full potential, the 8:7 ratio. That means at 5.3K, 8:7, we can take a screen grab from this video and it will be 24.7 megapixels. How crazy is that? Welcome to photo mode. You have two options in here: night photo for those low light and tripod shots, and super photo. Super photo automatically analyzes the scene and intelligently applies the best image processing to get the shot. GoPro, take photo. Little tip, use voice commands to control your GoPro remotely. Talking voice commands, your GoPro recognizes 14 different languages, meaning you can stay hands-free and control your camera. GoPro, start recording. Yeah. A few other cool ways you can control your GoPro, things like the Quick app, a remote, the Volta, or Bluetooth headphones. If I plug these in and connect to my camera, I can now control the GoPro from afar. Check this out. See how far away I am? GoPro, start recording. Amazing. Let's talk time-lapse mode. This is gonna blow your mind with 4 fun creative options at the push of a button. Time warp, star trails, light painting, and vehicle lights. The Hero12 has built-in mounting threads so I can attach to a tripod. However, with GoPro's Emmy award-winning stabilization, it means I can get a time lapse or time warp while on the move. GoPro, start time warp. Pro tip, time warp is going to be your main go-to for all time-lapse style footage. Have fun mounting it in different locations around the vehicle on road trips, but also don't be afraid to take it handheld. This built-in stabilization is going to blow your mind and you're going to come up with some fun things. Let's talk star trails. This is such a unique way to capture the night sky. It used to be reserved for people with high-end cameras and techie software. Now all we need to do is point the camera north or south and let the GoPro do the hard work. I have made a video on how to do this and I'll throw a link in the description below. But I do highly recommend using things like the Volta or an external power pack to give you that full night sky rotation. Anyway, let's go set this up and see what we get. Vehicle lights is a fun option. Mount this to the side of the road and film all the cars going by, getting a beautiful light trail, but my favorite is actually the suction cup to the vehicle and take it for a ride. Check this out. Light painting. Let your imagination go wild. Mount your GoPro to a tripod like the Volta here and let your artistic side flow. Little pro tip, take your time. There is absolutely no rush to create some amazing drawings at night here. Also, put some steel wool in a whisk with a bit of string and see what you can create. This is the Max Lens Mod 2.0. It is the Hero12's new best friend. With this tiny addition, I can shoot video 36% wider or 48% more vertical, creating the ultimate point of view shots. With industry-leading 177-degree field of view. It is also 2 times more scratch resistant than its predecessor with hydrophobic performance. What that means is it can take a beating and shed those water droplets. So I'm gonna team up with man's best friend and show you what I mean. Now, I did promise you that I was going to share some tips on how you can get paid to shoot for GoPro. It's as simple as this. Grab your camera, go out and have some fun. And then at the end of the day, upload your content to your mobile device using the Quick app. In here, submit your raw, unedited photos and video. Anything that is selected will be featured on GoPro's social channels. And if you make it to the global channel, they are paying up to $250 for a photo or $500 US for a video. And if you're a GoPro subscriber, that'll be doubled. It's as simple as that. You don't have to be an extreme athlete or do anything crazy. Just go out, have some fun, and share your ordinary. Because I guarantee your ordinary is someone else's extraordinary. Hey, I hope this was all helpful. So please do me a solid, comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Comment below with any more questions that you have. I love helping you guys out. Get out there, have some fun, and check out my Instagram and see what adventures I'm up to. See you later. Bye. GoPro, stop recording.